Hello, welcome to the basement. I opened up a Rubbermaid container, and this very dirty, oh, Penny, hang in there, Penny. This very dirty 4040 was looking up at me. It originally supposedly was sold from House of Computers. So, I've not looked inside. I've not done anything at all, except hook up a power cord, and I'm going to try to turn it on. If I could get to the switch. Oh. Well, that was exciting. It did nothing at all. Now, did you know, if you don't plug in the power cord to a power source, nothing will happen. Let's try that again. Ooh, something happened there. Always make sure the power switch is off. Hang on here. Well, that sounds pretty good. Is it going to stop spinning? It stopped spinning. Oh, and Penny went away. Penny! Hang in there, Penny. Anyway, so yes, Tales from the Basement. What do we have so far? Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? I found two Commodore 128 keyboards today. And then, of course, there's more magazines. Paperclip Publisher, Paperclip 3. Hi, Penny. An external drive for an Amiga. 1541-2. I think, well, I found 264s today. That means there's been 3 that were down here. Haven't had a chance to test them. Also, here is, excuse me, a floppy drive that I think would go into, hi Penny, how you doing? A 4040, I think, but I'll have to have a look. Yeah, you know, just carrying on in the basement. Trying to think, what else? Oh, you know what? I found a couple boxes full of little things, cartridges, and... Penny, what are you doing? No, Penny, it's really not a good place to jump. Not a good place to jump. No, it's really not. Really not a good place to jump. Anyway, so, yes, the Tales from the Basement continue. I will have to get, hi Penny, more stuff upstairs to test things. I shall. Alright, well, that's just a quick update from the dungeon. Yes, I know. Okay, Penny, yes. I'm going to go and pet Penny and see what else I can find. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.